Hello, welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now, today we do have a special request from Donna Sanders, and I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. If not, I apologize. But she did see my last video that I posted about the review of the new Urban Decay, the Wire palette, which it looks like this. So she did say she wanted to see a couple of swatches from the electric palette just to see how they resemble. So good observation on that one. So I just thought about like, oh, duh. So thank you for that one. So thanks to her, I'm going to do this video. So I'm going to compare both side by side. I'm going to do a couple swatches. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. Okay, here we go. Side by side. See if I could remove so you guys don't see the mirror. Here, I'm coming. All right. So here goes some of that. But I did notice, like, for example, like slow burn. I believe they might be the same shadows from the previous one now that I'm looking at them. So like this one looks like is on the new palette. Let me see which one that I feel like we seen. Let me see. Chilton. Chowels is another one that I feel like is well from the palette as well. So I'm still going to do a couple swatches, the one that seem alike just to make sure, just to be on the safe side. But there is a couple that, good observation to Donna. Thank you for that. All right, so let's see. So first I'm going to start out with Chow's. So that one is the blue one, which is this one. So I'm going to swatch it on my little hand right over here, just to see if it's the same thing, okay? Which I want to say most likely it is because it has the same name, so I would doubt they'll change it for any reason. So here we go with the other one. Yeah, honestly, it's the same thing. I'm not sure this one looks deeper, maybe because I pressed on it a little bit more, but I feel like it's the same thing, to be honest. So cool with that one. All right, so the next one I feel like is about the same. It's gonna be Slow Burn. So let me go ahead and swatch that one. And I'm swatching it right now from the new palette, which is the Wire palette. So I'm going to put it underneath here. So that's wired. All right, so that's wired right there from the new palette. So let's see from the old palette. So from the electric, I'm taking a little bit of a swatch. And if you're wondering what's on my eyes today, I did make a video of the Wire palette. That's the look I created. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, they look the same. They look the same. I'm just trying to see if there's a difference in general. Let me know if you guys see a difference. The first one is the new one. The second one is electric. First one is a new one, and the second one is electric. So, they look about the same. I'm trying to see which other one that could be the same. Let's see. Well, we do have two that look a little bit alike, which is Gravity from the new palette, which is the purple one, which is this one. This purple one right here. So I'm going to swatch that one. And then from the electric palette, I feel like it looks like a little bit like this one. They have different names, but hey, let's give it a shot. So first, I'm going to swatch Gravity from the new palette. Like so. All right. Now, I'm going to swatch it. I'm running out of fingers here. It's called Urban from the electric palette. So let's see if there's any difference just in case. I mean, those kind of resemble each other, to be honest. Pretty much the same, to be honest. Same shame. Yeah, pretty much resemble each other. So not too bad. I'm trying to see if there's another one that could be look alike. The only other one I feel like that's left for me to swatch is gonna be the green one. On the new one, it's called Current. On the old one, it's called Freak. So, oh no, I'm sorry. Thrash and Jolt. I apologize. So Jolt and Thrash. So Jolt is gonna be this one right here. That's Jolt, and then the old one is gonna be Thrash, which is that one. So let me go ahead and swatch those as well, just in case. So I'm gonna do the new one on top. Go ahead. Let's see if I can do it right there. All right. So that is a new one. I'm gonna put a little bit more just in case. All right, so that is the new one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the old palette, which is an electric palette, and I'm gonna do it on the bottom just to see. So I feel like the electric one is a little bit more vibrant. I noticed that on that one at least. This one I feel like I only had to swatch it once. This one, the new one, we might have to swatch it maybe a little bit more. But when it comes to those shades, honestly, they're pretty much the same. I feel like. You guys let me know if you feel like they're the same, they're a little bit different. I don't know. Just looking at, my camera, looking at physically, I don't know. The only one I feel like might be a little bit different might be just these, I'll be honest. Besides these, I feel like in person, I'll be honest, they look the same. So you guys let me know. I feel like that is all the shades that look alike. Let me see. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, never mind. Savage and Savage are in there, so they got to be the same. But I'll swatch them anyway, just in case you guys want to see those. Those are the pink ones. So I feel like that's the only one that's left to swatch, which is going to be Savage, which is a pink on this one. And then it is Savage on the old electric palette, which is that one right there. So let me just for the heck of it, let's go ahead and swatch that one as well. So, okay, this one's from the new palette. Let's see. All right, I'm going to do that again. Just do a little bit more coat. All right, that's that one. And I'm going to do it from the old one to see if we lost any pigmentation, just in case. This is the old palette. No, I'll be honest, in person, they look the same. So, like, the only one that's different is going to be this one right here. Besides that, everything else looks the same. I feel like when it comes to shades with the new ones, sorry, I'm dust in there. But I feel like the new ones would be more like this one, which is Switch. And I feel like Shock is a new one, Current is a new one, Fluorescent is a new one, and Glitch is a new one. I feel like besides that, everything honestly could be from the old one. The old one I remember looks like this. I'm going to just kind of look quick little reference so you guys can see. That's how they look. So just keep that in mind just in case. To me, I feel like if you have the electric palette, your question might be, do I really need the new one? I personally would say yes, just because I like the new shadows that are added to the edition. But if you feel like, those are shadows that I'm not going to use, then honestly, it's more of a customer preference if you want to purchase or don't want to purchase. But for, to let it to rest, I still like this palette. I'll be honest. Still, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. For the price, I'll be honest, it's a decent price. $42 for $39. Most palettes are like $45 to honestly even $50 now. So they're getting a little pricey there. But for the quality, can't complain. For the packaging, you can't complain. Look at the packaging, just gorgeous. You can't go wrong. Even with the old palette, I accidentally dropped it the other day. That's why it broke. But this has been with me for I don't know how long. When it first came out, I'm just trying to think, when did it first come out? I can't even remember. It's been that long. And believe me, a little bit goes on a long way. That's why it's so pigmented. And as you can tell, boom. And I feel like it looks gorgeous in any skin tone when it comes to whatever you like. I definitely love shades. I love colors. So definitely that is me. But I just want to say thank you again to Donna Sanders. Thank you so much for requesting this video. And again, for Urban Decay for, letting me get my hands on this puppy first. So, and thank you so much for all of you guys who are watching today. Sorry for stuttering. Thank you guys so much for watching. Taking the time out of your day. I know you guys could be doing something else. But don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.